Hello, my name is Eric Grigori. This presentation covers my paper, Evaluation of Modern Tools for an OMSCS Advisor Chatbot. I originally got the idea for this project while taking KBAI at OMSCS. In that class, you develop a conversational chatbot, and I realized that I really enjoyed the technology and wanted to learn more. This project started as a paper, but then evolved into an actual prototype. So after doing the research on the communities, chatbot technology, the platform, and tools, I decided to go ahead and evaluate some of the tools in more detail for the purposes of actually creating an OMSCS Advisor chatbot. The chatbot is just a prototype, but it has been trained with an OMSCS FAQ, and it does have a very simple web user interface. The paper was written not only for KBAI students, but actually any student interested in developing a conversational chatbot. So the paper does cover the technology in detail. It covers the marketing side of both using the chatbots in education and customer support. And as I stated before, there's a detailed evaluation of the tools. After evaluating the tools themselves were used to create a conversational chatbot, in this case, an OMSCS advisor. The purpose of the advisor is to help prospective students get information about OMSCS. It currently takes anywhere from 24 to 48 hours to get answers about OMSCS because our human advisors are so overworked. The goal of this technology is to trim that down to a few seconds. The project is not complete. There's still lots of work to do for the OMSCS advisor. I think ultimately it'd be a very valuable tool for the OMSCS program. I've gone ahead, and if you want to play with the tool or experiment with the tool, the link right there will let you experiment with the tool. It does only support one session at a time, so if you get a message saying that it's busy, it's because someone else is using it, unfortunately. That's a limitation of Python Anywhere. That's not a limitation of the general technology. Python Anywhere was used because it's free in this particular use case. And all the source code's available on GitHub at the link shown. The paper covers communities that can benefit from conversational chatbot technology. It goes into detail about the actual conversational chatbot technology, specifically the natural language processing, and the technology involved behind that, for breaking sentences down into entities and intents. The flow of conversation, how conversation is tracked, and basic conversational chatbot architecture. A large part of the paper is dedicated to the various tools, providing a little bit of information about each tool and a few of the chatbot programming languages. Then there's the evaluation of the tools. This is where we actually went into detail, or where I actually went into detail for these 4 tools and evaluated them. The details are actually in the appendices, and actually 6 tools were evaluated. These 4 tools are compared because these are all natural language processing tools, or natural language understanding. You can see there's a side-by-side comparison to help people determine which is the best tool for their particular application. Code snippets to show how the tool is accessed, and details on how the tools are actually used by a chatbot. Finally, the paper covers the actual OMSCS Advisor chatbot. How does the chatbot work? What are its main subsystems? The chatbot does use the API AI platform from Google. So it covers some more details about how the API platform has actually accessed some of its data structures and some of its unique features for why it was chosen. It is a conversational chatbot, although a very simple one. So there is a dialogue manager, and the dialogue manager is discussed. This particular dialogue manager is relatively simplistic, and in fact, I'm very interested in doing more research on dialogue managers in the future. Dependencies are a wealth of information. This is the FAQ used to do the training. This is actually the knowledge base that was used as the reference for the training. So this could be thought of as an input vector for the training testing. And then there's, like I said, details about each test that was performed and each tool. Again, the goal here is to provide a bit of a reference for future students or anybody interested in using this technology.